So the ruling just came down.
Yes.
What's your initial thoughts?
Well, the first thing I did was I texted my partner. Because while this is a ruling about marriage equality, what it does is it says to LGBT families, you have standing. The Supreme Court of the United States said, your families matter. Your relationship matters. Your relationship stands equal with that of traditional mixed gender couples. And so for the families, you know, for moms with moms and their children, dads and their children, it means so much because it says your family matters, your family is equal. And that's the strength of this ruling today. It's emotional. My partner and I have been together for 21 years. I'm a member of the General Assembly. I vote weekly on bills that affect 11 million people in the state of Ohio, and yet I have not been able to make a personal, private decision about who to have a contract with, a marriage contract with, the person that will be there when I'm sick, and I'll be there for her when she's sick, the person I raised 2 children with. My family, like many families across the state of Ohio, across the country, are excited and happy because of the acknowledgement and the affirmation that our love, our families matter.
You've said before that you don't plan on getting married until gay marriage is legal in Ohio. Do you plan to get married now? Or?
Yes, and we have talked about it. And like many families that plan a wedding, we plan on planning a celebration where our 2 daughters, who are one on each coast right now, can come in. Just like everybody else plans for a big day to celebrate with their friends and family, we will plan and do the same thing.
Now, do you expect gay marriage then to be speedily implemented in Ohio, or do you see any roadblocks to that?
I'm not quite sure what the path will be in Ohio. I know that for me, the continued path is working for equality in housing, employment, and public accommodation. We will continue to work on that because marriage is one step down the path, but we also want to see full equality for all of the folks from the LGBT community. And that work is not yet done. In fact, in some ways, it begins anew.
How so? What needs to be done?
Well, we have to be able to protect people in their employment, in housing, in public accommodation. Still today and tomorrow and Monday, someone could be refused service, refused housing, fired from their job because of being a member of the LGBT community. It's wrong. People should be judged on the merit of their work and service, and when it comes to housing and public accommodation, they should have access. If they have a constitutional right to citizenship, they should have access, as does everyone in the society.